Hi everyone, Helen here, bringing you inspirational content about plants and gardening. Before we begin, please be sure to subscribe with us to get all the updates on some of the rarest plants available to you. Hi everyone, today I'd like to share with you guys how you can make your very own dandelion Halloween costume. So here is a dandelion headpiece that I made about 11 years ago, and it was actually a very last minute thing and it was very easy to make, and I thought, and it's such a fun project, I really wanted to share it. So what you're going to need is two tools. You're going to need a drill and a drill bit that is wider in diameter compared to the straw. So it just has to be wider than the straw. And then you're going to need a glue gun with glue sticks. And you can get those anywhere. A lot of like arts and craft stores, or you can get them on Amazon. But I provided all the links to these items on our website too. So they're there. So yeah, those two tools: glue stick, drill bit, glue gun. And then what you're gonna need is a 12-inch diameter hollow foam headpiece, or like piece of foam. And then what you're gonna do, and then what you're gonna need is a yard of brown fabric, brown straws, or the alternative, if you can't get brown straws fast enough or just can't get them for whatever reason, you can also get straws and wrap it with brown floral tape. I made sure that the brown fabric that I selected falls in the same chroma as the brown floral tape. So that's another alternative. And then, so what you do is cut a strand that's longer than you need it. Better safe than sorry, because later on you can just trim it off if you feel that it's too long and, just out of place. But what you'll do is you'll get the the sphere. You're going to use a drill to drill in at the very least 1/4 inch deep. So 1/4 inch deep or a little more if you feel it's necessary. And then distribute the holes, kind of in an even fashion, because that's where the straws are going to be. So then you drill those holes, and then what you'll do, this is the next step, is after you drill the holes, you're going to use this strand and you're going to wrap it over the cone where these pieces will fall over your ears. That way you can decide to go in front or in back. But it'll be just kind of within that vicinity. And then when you drape it over, make sure you drape it to the middle and glue starting from the middle, and then pull for some resistance and keep adding glue all the way down to the bottom. Same on the other side. And then you'll get the fabric, the brown fabric, and then you'll drape it over. Once you drape it over, make sure that you cut 2 holes right here to let through the strands. And then what you're going to do is fill with your finger where the holes are for the straws, and then just take a little scissor and just nip it right there on where the holes would be. And then you'll get a glue gun and then put some glue in and then just put the straw in. This is honestly the best, most efficient way to do it, is just set it up, set the headpiece up. Just put glue gun, boom, 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 at 5 at a time, put the straws in, and then rotate it without disrupting the previous straws, and then just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put it in, and just keep rotating it and just doing it like a production line. And then you can get and then you're gonna need cotton balls. So what you'll do is you'll fluff it up. I think it's easier to just get those cosmetic ones because they're already rounded, and you just fluff them up instead of getting it from I don't know, who knows, but that's my suggestion. And then you can fluff them up and then just glue them on, and it's like, it has no weight, so it doesn't put a lot of weight on the headpiece, mainly just the cone and just kind of the unwieldiness, I'm not sure. But otherwise, it's great. Like, it is a great conversation piece and so much fun, hilarious. Everyone will love you because they just think you're crazy and fun. So it's awesome. So give it a try. It's really good. And if you guys have any questions with regard to this project, feel free to shoot us an email. We'll try to get it, you know, based on, you know, the time sensitive. If it's a time sensitive matter, we'll definitely like try to get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, give it a try, have fun with it, and I hope to see you guys again soon.
Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or topics that you would like discussed, feel free to address them in the comment section below. Also, if you found this video to be extremely helpful, please be sure to share it with the rest of our garden community. One last thing I wanted to mention is if you're interested in participating in our contests and giveaways, be sure to subscribe for all announcements pertaining to the events. Thank you for your support, and I hope to see you again soon.